it's almost a small sociology course packaged within rock music, and there are so many different things we can talk about. There are racial issues, there are socioeconomic issues, and all of those things, including the corruption of government and the music industry, and there are all sorts of topics that we kind of like to grab at least for a day or two and wrestle with. So it's not a history class. They're not memorizing names of band members and dates, but it's really wrestling with the issues that the music is about, and about the things that impact the music industry, and about the listeners. Well, we do a lot of reading. We have an interesting text that's written by an English gentleman. So it gives you kind of a international perspective on American rock and popular music. We listen to as many of the groups that are talked about in those chapters, so that we're sure that the students are kind of immersed in the story, because that's what it's all about. So the stories that we've been telling using music, the art that we create, and it's a lot of fun. We cover gangster rap and everything from rockabilly, things that aren't strictly rock and roll. And not everyone's happy on every day, if we're covering disco, for example. But, there's something there for everyone, and I've had very positive feedback from students.